Hello everyone, how are you guys doing? Welcome to my channel. Today I've come up with a first impression video. I have a very dry skin and especially in the summers it really becomes very difficult to lay hands on those products which will keep your skin hydrated yet not make you look oily or break out your skin. So I had heard quite a lot about Blossom Coach's Aroma Magic Dry Skin Essential kit. So I finally got that kit and I unboxed it today, and I would be letting y'all know my first impression on the same in this video. So keep watching, stay tuned. This is how the packaging looks. These are the products. This is basically they have actually added an O to the popular CTM regime, which is cleansing, toning, moisturizing, but Aroma Magic has come up with CTOM, which is cleansing, toning, oiling and moisturizing. So this one is aloe vera cleanser, then comes the rosehip skin toner, then the oil, and then the almond moisturizing lotion. So this cleanser is basically a cream based cleanser. Now we all know that there are two types of cleansers which are available. One is the oil based, another sorry, not oil based, one is the gel based, another is the cream based cleanser. This one is actually a boon for the dry skin beauties. All the people who suffer from dry skin, not suffer is the wrong word, but yes, all the people who are having dry skin, you guys should actually try cream based cleanser, and this one is a wow product. I really felt my skin could actually feel that it has got its food when I actually cleaned my face with this one. Then after cleaning it, I used this one which says rosehip skin toner. Now this is a toner, so we basically know how to use it. We have just spritz it on your face. Now it says it soothes and hydrates the skin. It actually does what it says. It actually hydrated my skin the moment I sprayed it on my face. Now what I feel is that you can actually use this, keep it in your purse, and spray it on your face whenever you feel like doing it, because it'll actually keep your skin hydrated, make you feel fresh, and it is actually a boon for all those people who have to do daily traveling in the scorching heat. Then comes the third one, which is the oil. It is a dry skin oil, moisturizes deeply and nourishes skin, intensely hydrates, refreshes and conditions, and gives a glow to skin, which is, it does what it says. At least that's what my first impression says. When I applied it, it imparted a glow to my skin. What is more important, which I would like to share with you all, that when I used this oil, I actually felt that I was transported to some other world. Yes, it actually soothed, it actually calmed me a lot. Not only my skin, but the whole me. So I really feel that I don't know what kind of essential oils they have blended into it, but it smells very, the smell is very soothing, very calming, and I feel that they might have used chamomile oil as one of the ingredients. So this is again a good essential oil for dry skin beauties. Then coming to the last one, which is the step 4, which says Aroma Magic Almond Moisturizing Lotion. When you pump this cream in your hand, you'll see that you will find that the cream is a very white, watery, milky texture, like it drips down. But believe me, the moment you'll start blending it, it blends like as if you have applied nothing on your face. It is so light, which is such a wow factor, because in this summer nobody would like to use a heavy duty based cream, not even people like us who have very dry skin. So this is actually a boon for all those people. Plus it smells incredible. Coming to the review part, I really loved the product. As far as first impression is concerned, I really did, and I would be giving it 4.5 out of 5. Getting all the four things in one packet is really great, and that too in just rupees 800. It is wow, because if you go and because if you try buying things individually, then obviously it would be costing much more. So yes, that's again a plus point, and I really liked the formula of everything from cleaning till cleanser to moisturizer. So I would be giving it a thumbs up, and as I said, it would be 4.5 out of 5. And coming to this video, if you all liked my video, do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and do comment and share what you want me to do, as in what more videos you would like to watch. And yes, I would be also linking my linking my Instagram account in the description box. So guys, stay tuned. Share lots of love, get connected to me on my Instagram account, and stay happy, stay positive. Mwah. Bye.